Hello. Sorry, I was looking away. I was looking away doing. Oh, that's loud. I was looking away doing my socials. I was doing my socials. Squirrel, I should honestly just make you and Shiny mods. You're always here and I trust you. That's probably good enough. Hey, Squirrel. I added alert command. Does this work? I just tested it. I tested it like right before. Yay, lurk. I need to add like the tea. I need to add a excuse me. A teacup emote to like my free emotes. So that Nightbot can use a little icon. I wanted to give it the well, here, that's the thing is like I'm so small that I don't really need one yet, but better be ahead of the curve, right? Okay, so Match Cards is up. Match Cards is online. I need some different music. All right, that's that loop for intro. What kind of music am I going to play today? Do thing, action. No, it's not an action day. Fantasy. Fantasy's fun. Calm. There is the entire Cobalt Core soundtrack, which is freaking chill as fuck. I'm working hard. I'm working hard on the app. The app is okay. The app is hopefully way more stable. I did a lot to stabilize it. And let's see if we can find more bugs. Oh, yeah, I added a timeout. I didn't put a timeout on the screen. There's like a 30-second timeout for searching and like a 3-minute timeout for for making a move. Which will probably help with a lot of the people being stuck in a room. Yep, okay, yeah. Waha. Well, I'm gonna keep it up for, as long as it's stable, I'm gonna keep it up for a few days. And I'm gonna stream a bunch. So let's see. Like, my goal, we had 10 people sign up on the first demo day. I just want more people to sign up. So I want to get more people to jump in and try it. And find more bugs. Because there's always bugs. There are always bugs. You just don't know that there's bugs, but there's bugs, though. There are always bugs. The idea of an app with no bugs is silly. It is silly. Now the trick is, since I can't just search forever, I don't know if anyone else is playing it. Well, what I do know. Oh man. What I do know is that I forgot what I was saying. Oh, I know what I know. Haha. Because I can see the database, I can see if anyone else signed up. For a 4 error. What? Is it at matchcards.love? Where how 404? What 404 you do? Match card stuff. Let's see. Why? How do 404 bad? Match card stuff. What is why? That works. That works. Maybe just click to it? Oh, I don't need a slash. Works on my machine. Why 404? That's discouraging. Okay. Did I type it wrong here? Is this... Wow. Lol. That's the opposite of what it should do. I can probably set it on my server so that, I can probably make yeah, okay. I can make it, I can set it on my server so the HTTP redirects to HTTPS. I probably haven't said that. Okay, first bug of the day. Got it. Bug list. Where's keyboard? Got my keyboard. Let's see. Okay, I can fix that. Desktop. Save my bug list on the desktop. Just text. See, what you should have done, Squirrel, is typed... Hang on, what did I say it is in the title? I have like 4 or 5 aliases for it, so you can't get it wrong. Bagow. See, that would have solved the problem. I've done a lot of work since first demo day. It's like the sign up looks better. Yeah, I'm curious what you think of the new sign up process, because I made a bunch of changes. A lot of design changes, couple back end changes. See, these are fun because it's like I can like record progress. I should make a as it starts to evolve more, I should make like a super cut of like clips of the stream. That's true. This is why demo day is fucking great. Squirrel, you need to get in touch with me, like, offline so we can plan some fun stuff, because there's some fun stuff I want to do. Welcome screen still needs you to go to landscape. I don't suppose you can take a picture of what it looks like to you. Because I did a lot of stuff to get it into mobile view. And it should look fine. How? What are the dimensions of an iPhone? Yes, please. Cause it works on my machine, but I can test it at any pixel width, and I thought I got it working real slim. Well, this isn't quite, this layout isn't quite, I'll tell you why it's this shape here, is because, Send It In Bugs, thank you so much. Right here, it's, like, this is the width of, like, half of my monitor, because I can put it up in a browser and just stick it, like, and you know how it does that, like fill screen or fill half screen? So it jumps to half screen, which is just fast. And then it's always the same size, and I don't have to think about it. But I have some tech that I could probably make this, like, more definitely mobile-sized. I can make it definitely mobile-sized and consistent-sized for stream. Okay, I will. So I plan to keep it up for a few days, and I wanna do a few streams. And see, you know, try and get some attention, as they say in Francais. Let's see what this looks like. And add a bug. Wow, double fail on iOS specifically. That's fascinating because I'm developing it on my Mac laptop. Oh, where's my Discord? There we are. Oh my goodness, wow. Oh heck. I see what's happening. Okay, see in a bit. That helps a ton to see that. Now I know where the problem is. How small do I need to make my screen for that to proc? Pretty small. Wow. Oh, that is... Oh my god, I have to squeeze my screen super tiny for that to happen, but I can recreate that. What? There it is. That's what squirrels see. Test it to the size of my phone. This is why we demo. This is why we test. This is why we test. Okay, this is good. This is good. This is good. Okay. Ah. That's what I'm trying to do. Hey, Fermata! We've already found 2 bugs. They're both iPhone related. I would pronounce that to the best of my ability, but I feel like the only outcome is I will embarrass myself. But that sounds really good. Yes. Ah, soup dumplings, yes. I could read bow. Soup dumplings sounds good. And that's one of Cody's favorites. Oh, frig. Dude, I was at Central the other day, the grocery store, and they had a couple of cookbooks that it was, okay, I really actually really need to buy this book. It was a comic book cookbook on how to fold different types of dumplings. I kind of need it. I think that's worth a cup. I think, like, I didn't want to impulse buy it. I wanted to, like, look at it and see it and think on it and then make a more deliberate purchase. I think I'm going to actually buy that book. Because it's like, and I was flipping through it, and it's like super cute, really cute illustrations, and they really show you like each different type of like traditional folding technique. And you had us over to make to fold dumplings that one time, and that was a blast. And it's like, ooh, I want to learn this. This is the thing to do with my hands that I can eat. I like arts and crafts, and I like cooking. Yeah. No, it's definitely like having the gang together for cook night and like, hey, let's all fold dumplings is super fun. It's arts and crafts that we can eat, and it's like and it's just like, oh, the more we do it, the better we'll all get. It's like, yeah, obviously practice, but like practice and also food. I might do that one of my nights because I want to learn it too. And then the 4 of us just become dumpling masters. Can you imagine? I feel like the craftsmanship required to fold a dumpling with liquid soup inside of it is certainly, if not like next level, at least high mid level. There's going to be skill issue involved in folding the dumpling so that the soup stay in. I mean, it's totally doable. It's just, you know, you're trying to manipulate the dough and pinch it together in a pretty pattern and also keep the soup in. There's multiple techniques involved. I think it'll be fun to actually get that one down. Mixing arts and crafts with cooking. Is cooking arts and crafts? I mean, it's... I feel like cooking has a creative aspect inherently, but I wouldn't say it's arts and crafts until there is, like, a presentation factor. Because, I mean, you can plate anything nicely. It's just whatever you cook, you just want it on the plate all pretty. And yeah, like, and dumplings just have that inherent, like, no, yeah, you fold it right and it looks cooler. It looks nicer. It looks more traditional. That's my stance. My stance is that it's arts and crafts if there's a presentation aspect, but I would be argued against on this matter. I'd hear another opinion. I can hear an argument that cooking is just arts and crafts, period. Culture, tradition, yeah. What you see is what you get. I feel like all the interesting cultures in America are the subcultures. Like, mainstream culture is just what's on TV. same problem India has? Because, like, you know, American perception of India is, like, mainly through food. And we don't think about the fact that India is about as big as America, and there are so many little tiny, like, subcultures and village cultures and city cultures and regional cultures that, like... Because, I mean, like, the culture of Seattle and the culture of Atlanta are super different. Yeah, and I think that because I think that really comes from mass media. At least that's like, I feel like that's the root and the trunk, where like the roots are the fact that we've got this centralized. Yeah, India is also old as fuck. That's true. We've got the centralized media system that says this is here's the processed largest common denominator culture. Let's send that out to the most people that will consume it in America, and that blends and generalizes everything. And then the result is just, yeah, a lot of generalization and stereotypes of everything. It's like every interesting story that becomes a movie or a TV show becomes blander because they have to bland it to make it sell to more people. It's the Avatar: The Last Airbender problem. Avatar: The Last Airbender... No, it's... Exactly. I... Freedom! Bro, we need to spread managed democracy to all those planets. To all of them. Do we really need all of those planets? Listen, if anyone ever asks that question, you need to report them to the Freedom Officers. I'm kind of impressed that Starship Troopers held up as well as it did. I think there's a lot of movies where I thought, oh, yeah, that must have been a moment in time that has passed, and I was like, nah, that was all right. That held up. The book Starship Troopers, as I understand it, because I never read it, is actually way more about, like, the politics and, like, that new system of government they have. Luke and I were talking about basketball. Wait, talking about basketball and WAN last week as I don't need to go back and rewatch this movie. Talking about basketball as in I don't need to go back and rewatch this. Basketball. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, that's impossible to see. My typo filtering made that completely invisible. Yeah. Okay, arguably, my ability to just, like, read sentences and completely ignore typos is probably the same brain that says, oh, JavaScript's fine. Someone was actually complimenting me for, it's like, thank you for being able to read typo. I was like, oh, I can read typo fluently. JavaScript is just one big typo. And when you make typos, JavaScript's like, no, I understood what you meant. It didn't, but it thinks it did. Manual search for, is this a real word or thing? Now what the typo is meant to be. Yeah. Gecko actually called me out on something that, like, you've known me long enough. You've probably 100% noticed this as well. The times where, like, I'll actually read, I'll read, like, in chat, specifically when I'm chatting with someone, I'll read a paragraph from start and end until, like, I get the idea, and sometimes completely ignore the middle. And, like, I'll think that I knew what the I'll jump to, in my haste and desire for efficiency, I'll read the start of the paragraph and the end of the paragraph and think that I know what the paragraph was about, and actually never have made it to the middle. I am now aware of it. I am now aware of it, and I've been practicing to not do that, and remembering to slow the F down. Yeah, you can thank Gecko. Gecko already like pointed me out on that one. That is part of that, but it's also, like, I'll start replying to the first one while you're still typing. And so it's like, and then I'll be like, I'll go ahead and send this. So there's actually, like, there are two things that will cause that. And if I do that, then I'll try to catch up. But then sometimes I forget. Hey, I'm a little bit frantic, but at least I'm aware of it. I need to draw your armor. Or at least show that you have it on. Yeah. No, the bug has been identified. I'm working on a patch. It's deep code though, so it's gonna take a little while to work on. But I'm actively working on that one. Brain is hard. Why does brain? Trigger thing. Okay, so this bit goes on thumb side. And then the trigger guard is here. Hayden's sword is probably one of the most detailed, the things I put the most design into in this comic, and I so rarely get to draw it. And it's just a couple of things. There's a little sorcery device in his sword. Okie doke. Uh-oh. 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 Okay, server's still on. There we go. Hey, I got a game going. Ah! Who am I playing? Oh, I'm playing as Squirrel. Okay. No, I can't show my move. There we go. Got it. Okay. Okay, still having trouble with auth timing out. Traveling for work, I bet you hate that. Oh. Oh, okay. Because I was thinking about commuting. See, I love this because the cards can mean different things. I'm going like... Okay, I got it in a second. All right. How about... Let's do... Oh, hey. look at this. All right, I bet people don't know this. I gotta fix the type. Yeah, no, I actually, when I was a kid, I used to do stage magic. I love the tricks. I'm gonna guess low. Okay, yeah, it was a dislike. Got it. All right, this is okay. I'm gonna put Home Improvement out. Because this is a meta one. Nope, it's actually a like because I wish I had a home to improve. Cider. How do you feel? I don't know how you feel about cider. Well, cider could technically mean either hard cider or apple cider. I'm gonna play it safe. Okay, you either love or hate it. Oh man, 7-10 split. People could dare, yes. Okay, I did get it in the second one. That's not an explanation point. All right, let's see how this works. Hey, it works. "3D modeling. Do you like that?" Yeah, first guess. Oh, I've got all easy cards now. Yep. Oh, wait, no, I actually know this about you. Got it. Perfect. Okay, that's more interesting. Got it first. Driving. I'm gonna guess driving's a more middle of the road one. Do you like driving? Hey, I got it. How do I feel about water? Oh, I see a bug already. Let me check some data really quick. Okay. I see a bug. You see how it says we've played 0 games? That's a display bug. It knows that we've played 3 games, or played 2 games. So I'm looking at the database, and it got the count right, but it's not displaying the count. So, bug. Oh, hey, we already know this one. Oh, wait, no, I don't. Oh, my God. This is where you find out if someone was paying attention. I want to get to 3 games really quick, so let's keep things moving. Whoop! Connection lost. Oh. Dang. Score probably had to go. Okie doke. See the edge card in portrait mode. I can fix that. All right, let me write these bugs down. What did you have? Okay. Traveling instead of driving. Okay, got it. Did you disconnect on purpose, or did you get disconnected? Let's see. Oh, wait, I didn't mean to bring Zilla up. Zilla's not here. Looks like connection drops if I move away from the screen. So I can add logic to reconnect. And I think I want to do that on button push. But yeah, I think it knows if I unfocus. Oh, wow. Okay. Let me write some bugs. Disconnect on focus. I already know that that off timeout is no good, so let's see. Yeah, hey, I would, yeah, but you got the like manual cancel button. I wonder what happens if I try and find a match right now. Yeah, I'm not finding you. Okay, this is definitely more solid than first demo. But we got, okay, these bugs are not the worst. This is better. Okay, so off timeout. It's honestly really just 2 bugs. Because off timeout, gotta get going. Okay, no, thank you for playing the game. Hey, the lurk button works, yay! Yeah, so I had a bug with off timeout that where it just didn't load, and it doesn't tell me why I'm not loading, so that's one thing. And then, like, everything that Squirrel Horde is hitting, so it's just, oh, the implementation bugs, absolutely. So far, the library has been solid. And, like, most of the bugs that I'm seeing are UI bugs. I'd say, like, during round 1, I had maybe, 3 bugs that were, like, actual implementation bugs, with my app. And I think, like, 12 bugs that were UI bugs. So most of the stuff that people are hitting is in the UI, and that's really around like just like state cases that I missed, or the fact that that state management in React is such a pain in the ass. But I mean, like I've got it mostly under control, but state management is React's weak point for sure. So, like, the 2 things I'm seeing right now are that, so 3 actually. So, when Squirrel loaded it on iOS, it defaulted to HTTP instead of HTTPS, but I can fix that. I can put that on the server so that if I get an HTTP request, I can just redirect to HTTPS. So that's just like an HTML server issue. Easy. Like, Squirrel's running into, like, a bunch of iOS problems with layout because the actual like dimensions of an iPhone are way skinnier than I thought they were. And like a bunch of stuff's breaking that I didn't even anticipate. So I need to get it a little bit better on really slim mobile to make an iPhone work. Hey, Snowtwig! And like Squirrel came up with like 3 bugs for that. Oh, hey, we got a lurk button now. What's it? Right, and then the last, so like all the layout bugs are all about it on iOS being too slim, and then the last one is just like I'm not handling auth timeout, because like an auth certificate only lasts so long. Sorry to like for that you arrived like just in time for like the densest of code talk between me and Fermata. How do you scare people away? Talk about code. But yeah, like everything that's popping up is stuff that like, no, I get it. That makes sense. I can fix it so far. And like just adding like the login timeouts and the cancel button and just putting more user control over find a new match, start a new search, all that fixed a ton of what was wrong the first round. It just put more context around it so that like the timing and the gameplay loop like maps more to like the actual server limitations, because it will just keep searching forever if you tell it to. And that just made a whole bunch of confusing situations. So like putting more structure around it, I think makes it way more stable. We're doing good. We're doing good. We're doing good. That Hayden looks pretty good. I wanted him to be curved, but does that make sense for his foot to be like that? His leg looks a little bent inward. He's doing a little, like, twisty jump. Maybe if I bend his knee just a little bit. Oh no. Oh no. Fermata, I have made a grave error. I've made a terrible mistake. It's like lunchtime right now, and I've eaten like a tiny bowl of cereal all day. Food is hard. Life is hard. Why have I done this to myself? What do I have that's fast? I don't, All right, I'm going to go a little bit longer and then take a lunch break. Because honestly, I kind of want to do like a few streams. I don't have any Chungus. I haven't been to Costco in a bit. Okay. Doigswift has a chat command that throws Jaffa cakes into the environment to bounce around. I should add like microwave chimichangas, and have the command be like bang chungus, Or no, it'd be a point redeem. Point redeem for Chungus. Because it's like, that is such like a inner lore of our community, of our friend group, that you call a frozen chimichanga Chungus. Yeah, but we can't get them. They don't export them consistently. I love the Tim Tams though. Tim Tams are a good fallback. They're caramely. They're all right. They're all right. They're not a Jaffa cake, but they're all right. They're real hard to find. Like even that like even that British grocery store, you know, like only sometimes has them. I don't think have I had it? Have you given me a Jammy Dodger? I don't remember if I've had a Jammy Dodger. Jaffa cakes are legendary though. I even like because I even like those knockoff brand Jaffa cakes, and they don't even have those anymore. Well, not at Central at least. Okay. I want to add more detail to Hayden's boots. What if... Okay, yeah, the slight bend of the knee helps a lot. I think my cough is on the way out slowly. It's like never at 0, but it's always approaching 0. And just keep some I have like a Nalgene of ginger licorice tea, which is absolute, like, it's better than any medicine. It's better than any medicine I've taken. It's just that it like actually makes the cough go away. And I like licorice okay. I don't love licorice. Is that in the game? Do I have a card for licorice? Oh, Fermata, I made a lot of changes to the cards. I realized that I completely hadn't added Boba. So now there's a Boba card. I also like Boba. Oh, UI. There's another UI book I forgot to write down. UI not updating play count. Got it. You know what else is nice in bug reports? When you get bugs on the new features, but not on the old features. The old features are stabilized, and you're seeing bugs with the new shit. That's great. That's super good. It's progress. Incremental progress. It's happening. The shit I fixed so far, well, I mean, I've only played one game against Squirrel, but so far, the bugs we're finding. Because, like, at this stage, like, the bugs come right to the surface. But yeah, no, there's always bugs. You just haven't found them yet. Man. Do you know what's making me feel really good? At my old job, I would get, like, I know you know this feeling, dude. I would get really discouraged that, like, I couldn't figure something out about the app where it's like, oh, I've got this clue and this clue, but I don't know how this maps to anything. And then people who had been there longer would be like, oh, that maps to this, like, instantly. Like, you know, it's obviously familiarity, but, like, I was like, you know, I was there for a long time and I really got deep into the app. And I'd still get stumped when it's like, I don't know what this means. I don't know what this problem is. I don't know how to debug this. Building the app myself from scratch, like, if something goes wrong, it's like, oh, it's that. Everything that goes wrong is like, oh, it's right here. I know where that is. Because I built it, of course I know. It puts, like, the one guy on your team that seems to know everything, it puts that into perspective. It's like, yeah, of course they know everything. They helped build it. Yeah, I can't, like, apart from animator guy, I don't know the entire cast of characters in your world, but, like, yeah, I just remember you mentioning, like such a person, and it's kind of like, I feel like every team I've ever been on has a couple of people like that just seem to know the lay of the land better than anyone else. And so, like, even if you hadn't told me about your skip, then I'd be like, oh, I'm sure there's that person at a company as big as it's like, or with a company with as much history as yours does. Like, yeah, that's just gonna happen. Yeah. Nah, that one's good. Whoop. Let me just take this T and move it over here. Okay, this is the end of the Cobalt Core soundtrack. I wonder if I can get the image down here, like the album image. But I can figure that out. I'd love to integrate a different, like, music collection besides Spotify. I got enough to work on. That's fine. I didn't put any motion lines on these guys. I should probably go in and do that. What to listen to next? I'm thinking... Sam Ock or Lo-Fi Leah? I like Lo-Fi Leah. Do I want to worry about Hayden's boots right now or later? That's looking pretty much what I need it to be. Or do I want to go eat food? I bet I can make a PBJ, like, real fast. Where's the loops on his belt? Belt buckles right in the center. That's not the right angle. That should be lower too. Buckle behind his sword, and then he's got the scabbard on his left hip, which is right here. should it hang down more that way? Let's tilt it. Let gravity affect it just a bit more. Because he's in motion, but gravity still works. Omelet prevail. No one gets that joke. But I'll make it every time. That leaves Lillian and Emmy. Keyboard in the way. That's a good question. Scientists struggle to answer that question to this day. Oh, no, I actually have an answer. It's because it's an API that connects to a human being, and human beings are... They are. If a human being was a computer, you'd just make another API. But no. Human. I'm going to take a PB&J break. I will be right back. Well, I'll be back. Maybe not right. I am back. Oh, my chat cleared. That's stupid. That shouldn't happen. Oh well. Such is life. Life is such. Pencils out of the way. A feature I'd love to add, and this might actually help with the auth issue because it'll keep refreshing the auth. Hopefully, is a little count of how many people are online. Because, yeah, like, the server's a lot more stable now, but there's just not enough players. I'm not good. I am not good at being seen. That is perhaps my weakest skill. I'm working on it. But, yeah, we need more people playing. Need more people playing to test it. Design of that page sucks. Apparently, by mathematical estimates, the Kool-Aid Man weighs 11,000 pounds. Based on his size, the amount of glass and liquid it would take to fill him. No wonder he can smash walls. He don't give a fuck. Do they still use Kool-Aid Man in advertisements? I don't watch TV. Well, TV died. I don't know. I don't see advertisements anymore. Almost ever. I would usually draw Lillian with her hair tied up, but it seems like she'd be the pragmatic sort. But she's also in for the showmanship. do I want to do with her hair? Get back. Does that make sense? I'm not sure that makes sense. It looks good on paper. It's this. Elbow here. That's still not making sense to me. All right. What are we doing with our hand here? Maybe it's because it's too long. This is coming background to foreground. Your sleeves are really short. What about palm down? And then where would her thumb be? Okay, so it's maybe like about there. Thumb. Right hand, left hand. Thumb goes forward. Like that. I like that. I like that. I like that. I like that. Would you even really see your thumb? I don't think you would. Oh, I like that. Do I like that? My hair's black, so most of this is gonna get just inked. Mhm. Hey, Cody. Kind of sleepy. Had a few folks stop by to say hi. Oh, I got a lurk button now. There's a lurk command. Okay, Lillian's boots. Oh, and Lillian has a scabbard as well, so... Post-it ruler. Need her boots. Actually, that should be closer to the side of her. More like that. Yeah, it makes more sense. Got it. Oh, I don't need to pencil sketch this. I'm going to ink it. What am I doing? I like drawing hair. That's the problem. Lillian, what the hell do your boots look like? I really haven't put much detail in anyone's boots. gave Ash's boots a glow up. And Kier's a little bit. Azalea's boots are always like this cool little like elfy thing here. All right, let's think about boots. Let me search before I share. What's this gonna do? I have safe search on this computer, so. I shouldn't be too surprised by results. That looks cool. We don't have zippers in my world, though. Ah. That's not bad. Don't need a zipper. Just have a little buckle around the ankle. What else we got? Ooh. I like buckles. Buckles are cool. I feel like my guys have buckles more than they have laces. They do have laces. That's a classic look. Like, this is exactly what I'm illustrating when, like, I show, like, the back of their armor. This little ring with the buckle. Just like that. What happens if I do this? Oh, this is fun. Now we're getting into cosplay. I like these. That's cool. It's too much for Lillian. What's that? Definitely not Lillian style. That's cool, but not what I'm looking for. That's Kier's boots. Easy. Easy. Too much. I feel like Kyle would wear that. There's your video game boots. Boots that no real person would ever actually make, let alone wear. Except for costume. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe shit like that exists, but I doubt it. That is shit that's worn by the opulent, if ever. I like that. I like that a lot. That's, again, not Lillian style. Lillian's gonna have, like, a couple of buckles. Buckle around the ankle is pretty common. Video games. Video James. All right, what do we got? Too much. Too simple for Lillian. Not bad. Kind of interesting. Oh, goodness, why? I'm thinking, because I obviously love this, because I use that elsewhere, but, like, do I want to reuse the visual element in the boots? Maybe just... I like how the top is split. And we have a top buckle, and maybe a bottom buckle, too. All right, I'm getting some ideas. Let's try this. Now, here's the problem. Is the cosplay boots are going to have way more buckles. I'm thinking like 2. Oh, those are cute. Now we're talking. That's a bit much. Keep the idea, though. Video games. There's nothing wrong with video game boots. They look cool, and this is a fantasy, so we can do whatever we want. That's a cool idea. I actually kind of like that. The double ring buckle. That's actually kind of cool. There's the ring again. I feel like I can use that elsewhere, but ooh, what's that? What's that? What's that? What's that? Crunk, strappy buckle biker boots. Look at this description. Crunk, strappy buckle biker boots. I mean, like, the phrase buckle biker boots is fun to say as it is. But you just change the order. Crunk, strappy, black buckle biker boots. I am fond of black strappy, black bucker. Wow, that's tough. Okay. Crunk strappy black buckle biker boots. Crunk strappy black buckle biker boots. That's not. Oh, it's not that bad. It's not the worst. It's not the worst tongue twister there ever was. Elf shoes. I'm gonna go back and clip that. All right. Goodness, why? I love coughing. No, I don't. I hate it. Not that, the other thing. Hate. I hate it. All right. So, Lillian, let's give you some boots. I'll give Hayden's boots a glow up as well. Honestly, let's just give everyone a boots glow up. Why the fuck not? Kind of makes me wish I put more of a glow up on the I gave Ash's shoes a glow up. A little bit more detail. Yeah, Kier's boots are basic bitch for sure. Kier would wear basic bitch boots. Just heavy leather, strap over, just pull them on, go adventure. Same thing. I don't need to worry too much about Cascades because his like outfit has the flare on it, so I don't need to worry too much about what how his thing works. Why did I ink that in? Oh well. Alright. keep pulling my paper down so that so it's closer to me, and then it's out of camera. How much, can I scoot this down some? That would help. Just reposition the camera. How about that? Can you imagine? I really like this almost like Powerpuff Girls sort of shape to her foot right here. Let's see if I can give her cool boots and still maintain that cool shape. Just a little bit of an angle here. Yeah. I'm looking at these ones, and I love how it's got the strap around the ankle. Well, it's got the strap around the ankle that the zipper goes up, making it completely pointless and stupid. It is entirely for show. Well, maybe. I mean, because it's like you zip them on, and then you could presumably no, it's super for show. But I'm giving it a devil's advocate. I'm giving it a steelman argument. Maybe it's so that this little clasp, but that clasp doesn't even have a tightening bit on it, so it's just pretty. That's fine. That's fine. Things can just be pretty. That's okay. Oh, I was going to do that little loop. Am I going to do that loop? I kind of like that loop. We'd only see it on one side, though. That's fine. Do I like that? Yeah, I don't think I like it. Needs a buckle, but I don't know what kind of buckle. What's this? Add only a thing if it's functional purpose. No, things can be pretty. Things can just be pretty. I think like in my world, I like things to be a little bit more practical, but I still want them to look cool. No, I'm not opposed to the notion of a design element for design's sake only. That's totally fine. I've got a particular like design goal in mind. Oh, those boots look super badass, actually. Hey, welcome back from Audit. I think. Okay, the ring buckle looks like too much. Nope, don't want buckles on the inside. You want buckles on the outside. I got it. I got it. I know what to do. I know what to do. So you don't have the buckles on the inside, but you do have loops for the belt to go through. Yeah. And then one loop here. And then the buckle on the outside. I like the little details. They are fun. I'm happy with those boots. Those are cool boots. Okay, let's figure out her sword hand, and then I think Lillian's good. Oh, I got a drawing of her. I drew her sword before. It's kind of different. Code is stupid, and everyone should run away. Remind me again why I'm making a game. You know what I think I'll do when I get the pencils done? So I need to glow up these guys' boots. Yeah, Groga's wearing like a tank top. It's like her I could give a little bit of her. There's just not much detail to her outfit, but I can give her her armor loop, belt loop here. You can't really see her armor from behind the tree. Lillian's Sword. Chapter 1, I drew it good. Be more tilted this way. It's not quite that U-shaped. It's a little bit. Ah, smudge. Hmm. This specific song is what got me to start Animal Crossing up again. Like this remix by Lo-Fi Leah. I was just like, I want to play Animal Crossing again. That works. And for this page, I don't even care if they're not like authentic fencing moves, because this is them being show-offs. This is their kayfabe, so it can look like bonkers dumb shit right now, and so I can get away with not having done enough research about fencing. Okay, need to do Emmy and some boot glow up on Groga and Hayden, and then we got page done. I'm gonna take a quick break. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Words. Okay. I'm gonna go for a little while longer, and I'm probably gonna wrap up and then do another stream tonight. And then I'll probably keep streaming it tomorrow, because I think the game is a little bit more stable, and I feel a little bit better about leaving it on for a few days. See, the problem is I don't have a lot of auto recovery, so if anything crashed, there's no real way for it to restart itself. That's big stability stuff that I need to engineer. What did Fermata just say? Code is stupid and everyone should run away. That is accurate. That is true. Is Emmy's outfit buttons? I think it's buttons. Yeah. So is Hayden's, actually. It's hard to make her hands interesting at this particular angle. Got it. Maybe got it. I think I'm gonna wrap up soon. And then be back tonight. So much else. Tammy's boots. We'll glow up her boots in a second. Yeah. She's got more this kind of shape going on. I think her boots are higher as well. Yeah. All right, there we go. That's the guys. So we'll do a little bit of boot glow up, and then it's time. And I guess I'm gonna need to finish everyone's faces too. Boot glow up and faces. Sorry. So I'm gonna sign off. I'm gonna go raid Niche because Niche is hanging out. She's doing VR chat. Locked in? Locked in. Everyone jump on board! Let's go raid Niche. Cool. Yeah, I will, yeah, so wrapping up for now. I'll be back tonight. A few hours. Keep drawing this, keep playing some match cards. If you have a chance, please go to, matchcards.love and sign up and play with it and poke around at it. I need tests. I need people to break it. I need people to play it and break it and tell me what's up, so I can keep fixing it and keep making it gooder. So please check it out and play with it, and I will be back later tonight. Okay, good night, folks.